Okay, so now we went down here at City Hall Station. Kasi moving on to the next place we're going, which is the Funan Mall. Daming tao kasi it's Sunday. Oh, happy birthday Singapore. NDP is coming up. 59 years. So ito na pala yung bagong link na path. Maglalakad ka dito sa underpass going to Funan Mall. When I was still working here, so dito sa City Hall lagi yung path ko papunta sa office. Although itong path, itong underneath path na to, it wasn't here yet before. Lakad ko was laging sa kalsada. So now it's a good thing that this has been added. So hindi mo na kailangang mainitan sa labas. Daming tao. So, mukhang itong path na to is via Capital Singapore oh. Kasi sa taas nito, maraming mga buildings. So, I know, may bagong mall din dito. So, malamang may mga mall din sa taas. Oh, that one, the Capital Kempinski Theater and Hotel. Bago din to. Nung araw, wala pa to dito. Funan to the left. Yan, there you go. Ito na yung access to Funan Mall. Na-renovate na rin tong mall na to eh. Ito yung popular na digital mall nila dito sa Singapore ever since. So if you wanna buy gadgets, laptops, devices, this is where you go, Funan. And then, I think napanood ko sa YouTube, they renovated it in such a way na in-integrate nila ang parang sports, lifestyle. Okay, we're gonna check later. And then, meron na rin nakakonect doon na the hotel. So, ito na. Asus ng mga laptops. So, there you go. Oh my God! Hindi ko pa rin maalas. I'm walking on the right side. So, ang nangyayari, I am against the current. Yung mga nasasalubong ko nasa right sila. I keep forgetting dapat pala sa left. Why are you holding my bag? Wait. Ayan, so meron silang rock climbing dito, oh. How do you call it? Oh, this is called Climb Central. You know, may mga sa mga mahilig sa sports, you can go here. Tapos, puro kainan na dito all over. Paikot. Ang daming kainan. Galing pala tayo ng B2. This is B1. Yan o, puro kainan. Walang katapusang kainan. Okay, so I'm not sure. No, I don't think this is the front. Mga sa side to. And then may lift dito. Yung live, yan yung hotel na integrated dito sa mall. Parang bigla siyang nabuhay tong mall na to, no? Parang dami-dami ng tao. May ginaman at ni-renovate. Dati kasi medyo luma na siyang tignan. Dito ko dati binili yung isang luggage ko na kulay pink. Nabuhay pa until now. Ayan, mga Brompton bicycle. It's popular here. Tapos mga shopping na ito, no? Under Armour, JD. Nasaan kayo mga ibang computers, mga gadgets nila. Ayan, tapos may sinihan sa taas, Golden Village. Ayan, tapos nag-integrate sila ng, I think, is this the bike lane? Oo, itong red na to. It says, look. What's that? Slow down. Speed limit is 10 km per hour. Oh, so pwede ka mag-bike, tapos palabas. Oh my God, yan na yung dati kong office. Dyan. Oh, this one. This is the Adelphi. So, dito yung dati kong office. So, bali when I worked here for 3 years, nakadalawang opisina kami. Yung una dati was dun sa my Chinatown, sa my Club Street. And then after like 1.5 year, lumipat kami. And dito ngayon sa the Adelphi. Dito. Yeah, during that time around, nung umalis ako dito sa Singapore was 2012, may bridge to na nagko-connect dito sa Funan. And so that's why dati, pag lunch break, madalas kami dito sa Funan noon. Hindi pa ganito kaganda to noon. And then dito sa tapat ng Funan, kung napapansin nyo itong building na to, if you look up, parang may dish. So this is the Judicial Court ng Singapore. Ito, nakita ko M1. Hopefully, may mabila akong SIM card dito. Hello, do you sell SIM card in here?
No, M1.
It's different?
Far different. Two different things.
Oh, okay,
here, if you want to find SIM card, I think only basement 2 there's a Singtel.
Basement 2.
Yes, and then otherwise you need to walk to Bugis. The nearest is at Bugis. Bugis have all the
Okay, I think we can just go there later.
Sure, no worries.
Okay, sorry about that.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, kanya-kanya na muna kami ng mga anak ko because they want to go around, check the Funan Mall by themselves. Ako naman ay maglilibot-libot din dito. Naghahanap ako ng M1 SIM card, pero yung nakita kong store na M1, hindi naman pala, I don't know, sabi niya it's a different brand or maybe the same brand but they don't sell SIM card, they do other products. So, sabi niya, suggestion niya sa Bugis daw, doon daw maraming SIM card. So, doon na lang kami bili na SIM card later. Okay, for the meantime, it's my turn to check out stuffs that I like, woman. Ayan, puro mga digital devices, gadgets, mga appliances and whatnot. Meron palang exit dito tapos may connecting na bridge to Fort Canning Park. And while nag-iikot yung mga Jonakis ko, kailangan ko na ulit magpahinga. Check out nga natin tong coffee shop na to. Called Sinpopo Coffee. Let's check out nga. Ito siya. I feel like I want espresso. Espresso na nga ako. Naantok pa din ako eh. Okay, so here, nag-order ako ng espresso shot. Single shot lang. Hindi na kinakaya ng powers ko. Puro ako stop over at pahinga. Grabe yung mga anak ko. Lakas ng energy nila. So, gusto kasi nila mag-ikot on their own. So, I let them be. Pero since wala pa kaming SIM card, there's no way to communicate, right? Pero nag-usap kami na at 5 o'clock, there's a spot kung saan kami magkikita. Pagod na rin kasi ako eh. Pero after this, we're gonna move on to Bugis area. It's currently 4:30 lang ba to? 4:30 pa lang pala. So mukhang marami pa kaming pwedeng mapuntahan. Problema ko lang jet lag. So we're thinking of punta kami ng Bugis. Kailangan ko makabili ng SIM card namin and then maybe we go to Arab Street for dinner. But I talked to my sister muna kasi pumasok yung kapatid ko. Pero sa amin siya natulog kagabi. There's my son, no? Mukhang naghiwalay din silang magkapatid. Nagkanya-kanya sila ng lakad. So tanungin ko muna yung kapatid ko kung gusto niya mag-dinner sa Arab Street tonight. Para pagkatapos ng trabaho niya is either dumiretso na siya sa Arab Street or kung hindi naman, pwede namin siyang i-meet somewhere. Tapos sabay-sabay na kami uwi sa hotel. Yung mga Jonakis ko pababa ng escalator, mukhang dadaan dito. Bulating ko. What?
You know what they have?
What do I have?
A Nikon.
Nikon? Yeah, of course. Cameras. But I'm tired. See? I'm drinking espresso. So tired. Like the whole store? How big is the store? Oh yeah? What floor? Topmost?
That's like over there.
Oh, okay. Oh yan, lumarga na sila ulit. Okay, so ang lola, dito lang. Pahinga. Pag ito naman, di pa tumama, ewan ko na lang. Sarap. Tapang. Ang hirap mag-adjust. Ako kasi usually, kapag ako tinamaan ng jet lag, it takes 5 days, minimum, to 7 days bago ma-regularize yung talagang tulog ko. Ito yung store, Brompton Junction. Ang daming nag-check out ng mga bikes. Wala naman akong planong bilhin kasi dito sa Funan. Wala naman akong kailangan. Pero yung mga anak ko, hindi sila magkanda o gaga. Tuwan-tuwa sila kasi maraming mga different brands na stores, special stores. Well, actually, for this trip mostly, I planned this for the kids eh. Kasi nga, the last time they were here was 2018. I think yung dalaga ko was 9, so yung maliit, it was 6. Nung umalis kasi kami dito sa Singapore, 7 years old and 4 years old lang sila. Pero yung last na pasyal dito was 2014. 9 and 6. So, ang tagal na. And so, that's why I planned this trip for them. Kasi nga, malalaki na sila, teenagers na sila. And I was thinking like, baka sa susunod, maybe 2-3 years from now, hindi ko na sila maisama sa mga travel, no? Kasi syempre, pag may mga kanya-kanya na silang commitment, may mga work na sila or nasa university na, or baka at that time magta-travel na sila on their own or with their friends. So that's why I said, yeah, I wanna bring them here, reorient them where we lived before, where we always went. And then at this time, maraming mga activities kasi sa Sentosa na mga pang-teenagers. I know they're gonna really enjoy it. Yun yung mga activities na syempre hindi namin pinupuntahan noon kasi maliliit pa sila, di natural. Doon ko sila dinadala sa mga laro ang mga pambata. Mostly this trip is for them. Honestly, for myself, wala naman ako mga planong shopping dito unless talagang I find something really interesting. So for me, it's like really more of immersing myself again here in Singapore, and of course being with my sister kasi dito siya nagtatrabaho. Tsaka hindi naman siya uwi ng Pilipinas, so hindi kami magkikita doon. So multiple birds with one stone, being here in Singapore, pasyal ng mga anak ko, makasama yung kapatid ko, tapos ma-meet ko din ulit yung mga friendships ko dito. So we have a dinner with my friends sometime this week also. So for myself, bahala na kung meron akong makitang really interesting. Pero hindi naman ako nag-allot ng budget, no, for my shopping. So ang budget ko is mostly for food, transportation, and for the different attractions na pwede kong dalhin ng mga bata. Yan, medyo nag-take effect na ng konti yung kape. Hindi na ako naliliyo. Medyo malinaw na yung pakiramdam ko. Okay, I'm gonna go out again. I'm just gonna check some more. The street lang dito sa may harap ng Funan. I wanna see also the Parliament. Ayan, Big Bus Singapore. Kung gusto ninyong maikot ang buong Singapore. Okay, this is the Adelphi. Okay, and then right here, what you're seeing, that is the CBD or the Central Business District of Singapore. Itong harap na to, this is the Parliament. This is the Supreme Court. So maraming pwede ring makita dito sa area na to, no? The Parliament, behind is the CBD. And then if you look here at the right, all the way doon sa dulo is the Fort Canning Park. Yeah, so it's a park na merong popular spot na Instagrammable. Pero yeah, sa tagal ko dito sa Singapore, I've never been there. Pero for parks, I like the Botanical Garden. So ito yung mga buses nila dito sa Singapore, SBS Transit. They're always on time. So this is the facade of the Funan Mall. So from here hanggang doon. And this is the Parliament of Singapore. Ganda ng view dito, di ba? Nice. And then from here, after ng bridge, pakaliwa, maraming restaurants, jar and bars, and especially at night, masaya dyan. Mainit lang dito sa labas, na-feel ko yung humidity. Ang ganda talaga na itong Supreme Court building nila. And by the way, sa likod, that's the National Gallery of Singapore. I'm going back na kasi sunduin ko na yung mga anak ko. Late na nga ako eh. Usapan namin 5 o'clock. Effective talaga espresso, gising na ako. So we're ready to move on to Bugis. Nakakadami na kami ng lakad. Kukota na kami ng exercise for the day.
I just wish that Flossa like has something more unique.
Yeah. They don't look like taxis.
I think they're just cars. Don't the taxis have that thing on the top?
Yeah, like those one. Like this one, the Comfort Delta.
And it says like busy.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on the way now to Bugis. Mag-MRT kami dapat, kaya lang sa daming tao. Parang wrong timing, ang daming nag-uuwian. Coming from this area. As in jam pack.
Hello, ma'am. Bugis
Yeah.
got 3 plus. Do you hear about Bugis Plus?
Bugis Plus? No, I can't remember.
Bugis Plus is your pop-up job place for is a shopping mall. Then you want to, you see in front the overhead bridge with the white spot on.
I see.
Left is Bugis Plus, right is Bugis
Yeah.
Junction. So for Bugis Junction, I need big U-turn to drop you. Bugis Plus can just tilt to the left.
Yeah.
Which one you want to be?
Bugis Junction.
You want Bugis Junction?
Yes, Bugis
Junction.
Junction.
The best I drop you at Intercontinental Hotel lah.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Bugis Junction is okay.
Then for hotel you
Yeah.
walk through the lobby to the junction. Huh?
Yeah. Niloloko kami ng taxi na nasakyan namin kasi nga hindi ko tinatanong niya kung this is the Bugis Junction. This is a mall. We can check later. Actually, wait, let's go in. Kasi we'll find M1 muna. Anyway, as I was saying, yung taxi driver na sinakyan namin, niloloko kami kasi tinatanong kung saan kami bababa. And sabi ko, Jollibee, kasi yun ang alam ko na may Jollibee dito. Tapos sabi niya, you from Philippines? Yes, we're from the Philippines. Sabi niya, then why you still go to Jollibee if you're from the Philippines? Tatawanan kami, ang kulit. Siyempre, nasabit na naman po sila. Here you go. This one. Kailangan ko to. I need to buy SIM card, tourist SIM card for the 3 of us. Hindi kami pwedeng pila ng kapatid ko kasi kailangan yung mga passports namin. So, we got our number. And then, it's important that we show our passport. Sabi nila 10 to 15 minutes. So, we're on queue. Makakabili na rin kami finally ng SIM card. So, it comes with a number, a local number, and then data na rin. So, we're still waiting to be called. Okay, so ito, meron yung $12 na tourist na SIM card. 100 gig for 15 days. Mura lang o, $12 lang. Okay, so, nagkak-flip. Ayan, so kakatapos lang namin i-set up. Dito na rin kami nag-set up sa store. Tapos, mabilis lang naman. Mag-work na kagad pagka-enter. Good for, ang daya lang, good for 15 days. 7 days lang naman kami dito. Pero anyway, mura pa din for $12 per person for 100 gig. And good for, in-extend nila ng 2 weeks kasi sabi ng kapatid ko for 7 days eh. Which is so much better kung hindi malakas yung gamit mo. Okay. So, we're online. Are you still checking out Miniso? No na? Okay, where do you wanna go na? Saan na tayo? Ikot lang, scour. Sige, lakad tayo dito.
Alright guys, so today for Pokemon Go, we'll see some Articuno.
Yes. Happy yung isa, nagpo-Pokemon na siya kasi online na siya eh. At least meron na kami magagamit for map. Matatawagan na rin ako ng kapatid ko mamaya. Kasi nakalimutan niya palang kunin yung key niya sa hotel. So pag naon na siya, wawa naman mag-aantay. Okay. Naku, may mga nakita na naman itong mga characters na naman oh. Look at this. Hilig sa lahat ng mga to.
It's not Casio.
What is that?
Casio.
Casio? G-Shock. Paterbang laruan, diba? Ito kami nasa sentro ng Bugis Junction o BHG. Yan ako lagi. Department store yan eh. Dati dyan ako bibili ng mga pinggan. Ganyan. Oh, there's a big McDo Chicken McCrispy signature. See? Is that new? You got it from here? Wow.
Caught in Singapore.
Wow. Okay, so yan yung bucket list mo, no? Makakuha ng Pokemon dito sa Singapore. Wow. Okay, so pumasok kami dito sa may BHG kasi merong access to MRT. O, ano naman nakita mo? Oh, yeah. Ano, for $10, diba? Ang mura. And even there's more yung that one that I wanted to find. Oh, mga tote bags, oh. Souvenirs. Ayan, mga pouches, 3 for $10. Mga wallets, coin purse, 4 for $10. Oh, andun yung mga cheap na products, oh. Ayun, oh. O dito na lang. Huwag na muna tayo mag-Chinatown.
Sige.
O di yan. Pabago-bago yung mga plano na. No, sige, kasi pagod na ako. So, sabi ko, wag na mag-Arab Street, mag-Chinatown. So, nagkayarian, nagusap-usap kami, sige, Chinatown, pagtayo namin. Ayun, yung hinahanap namin ng mga mumuray, mga products sa Bugis Street. Kaya, dito na lang kami. Si Chinatown naman is near our hotel. You can just go there any time of the day. Dito yung mga murang products eh. Yung mga bargain, ganyan. Asa kayo Jollibee dito? Alam ko malapit yung Jollibee dito eh. If you wanna buy bargains, this is where you go. Ayan o. See, mga pants na $5. And a lot of things. May t-shirts. May mga t-shirts sila. $18, 2 for 30. Ayan, nag-start na kami magtingin ng mga souvenirs. Since nandito na kami. So, okay, ito biglang naging souvenir shopping day na kami. Biglang nagising ang mga dugo. 3 for 12. Ayan na. 2 for 10. Isang katerbang merlion. Tapos mga t-shirt. Merong certain t-shirts na hinahanap ko eh. Sana ay makita ko. Ang bata. So, 2 for 24. Nasa $12 each yung t-shirts. Pasok kami sa alley daw na to. Nakita silang laruan. Batik ko eh. Ah, this one. Anong laruan niya gusto? Bakit nung batik ko pa? You know, yung uniform ng mga stewardess. Oh yeah, yung batik. Meron ako hinahanap na t-shirt eh. Yung instead of I love SG. Sana yung nakasulat is like yung mga food nila. Chicken rice, laksa, chili crab, yung mga ganun. Oh, do you smell that? What's that? What's that smell, Ethan?
Durian.
You know, I'll just check out the t-shirts, yung mga design. Baka there's one I want. Ito sila yung naamoy na durian. How much is this? Black, how much is $25. Parang masarap naman, mabango siya. Oh? Pag sa bidok niya, matry. Parang gusto ko siyang matikman. Once pa lang ako nakatikim ng durian, which is sa Pilipinas. Di ko kinaya kasi parang lasang gaas. I wanted to try the Musang King. Sabi nila Musang King daw yung masarap eh. I know meron dito sa Singapore. Parang may nakita kong type kong tote bag sa loob. I'm gonna check out nga. Parang mas maganda yung mga designs nila dito. Let's see, let's see. You know, gusto ko yung nasa taas. Gusto ko yung size nila. At saka parang magaganda yung mga t-shirt dito. Well, but I still don't like the design. Pero parang, or maybe maganda yung packaging. I want the tote bag.
I haven't found anything I want yet.
You haven't found yet? Oh, okay.
Because
We're still gonna go to Chinatown. Maybe you'll find it there.
at least somewhat quality.
Somewhat
Probably
quality.
metal stuff.
Uh-huh.
But
Yeah. But you know, yeah, these are cheap ones. So you can't really expect too much of a quality.
it's
But for
expensive.
me, anything something functional like the tote bag is nice. This one for you? Tingnan bro. Pero look at the quality naman for a tote bag. Okay. Oh, I like this one. Very light. It's smaller. Okay, let me check. Oh, hold my sign. Hold my sign. Oh, this one has zipper.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
And the pocket.
Really nice.
Yeah. Cotton.
Yeah, because everybody uses
have-
tote bag now,
Yeah,
right?
right. I have you.
Yes. Oh, yeah, it works. Okay. This one, you like it? Okay, we're getting that. Okay, so dito na kami sa link ng Bugis Station. Didiretso na kami sa may Chinatown, sa may Maxwell. Para doon na namin i-meet yung kapatid ko. Kasi malapit na siyang lumabas sa work. And then doon na lang kami mag-dinners sa Maxwell Food Center. One of the popular hawker centers here in Singapore. Okay, we're at Bugis Station. And then, currency? Yeah, there's money stored in it. So meaning, let's say we go home now and you don't finish this. Say they have $10 left. You can use the money, buy something at 7-Eleven. Yeah. Pag naubos mo na, there's a $20 stored value. It's being automatically deducted. Tapos pag ubos na, like right now we have $20 each. If we use up na the $20 each, it will tell you in the screen and then you need to top up. So we're in here Bugis right now. And this is where we want to go. Maxwell, where we started. So Bugis, yeah, Marina Bay and Maxwell. May mga connection na rin pala sila sa downtown. Like,
மின்வடியை கடக்கும் போது தயவு செய்து கைப்பிடியை பிடித்து கவனத்துடன் கடக்கவும்.
medyo standing na siya. Madami ng tao. Let's wait for the next train kasi standing na siya. Oh. Punuan na. People are going home from work and shopping. So, nag-decide kaming dumiretso dito sa Maxwell Food Center. Kasi pauwi na yung kapatid ko from work, hindi pa rin siya nag-dinner. So, sabi ko, dito na lang kami magkita-kita. At dito na kami mag-dinner before going to our hotel. So, yung hotel namin is very near here. Dito sa Maxwell Food Center and Maxwell train station. And by the way, Maxwell Food Center is one of the popular hawker center here in Singapore. One of the stalls here, nakikita ba yung kulay blue dyan? Tian Tian Hainanese chicken rice was popularized by Anthony Bourdain. Living here for 3 years way back. Nakakain din ako dyan. Masarap naman talaga yung chicken rice nila. Although marami rin namang sauce ng chicken rice, masarap din. I think it just so happened na that one was really put to limelight by Anthony Bourdain. Nung yung unang office namin was sa may Club Street, malapit lang dito yun eh. Merong shortcut na mga back alley papunta dito sa Maxwell Food Center. Kasi ang Club Street is malapit lang dun sa may Chinatown area mismo, sa may pagoda. Way back then, dito lagi kami kumakain ng mga office mates ko. During our lunch break, no, one of the places kasi dito nga sa Singapore, dami kasi pwedeng kainan. So, ang trabaho namin mga magkakaibigan before was every day, we go to different places to eat lunch. Although for dinner time, marami ng mga stalls na sarado. Pero pagka during lunch break, mas madaming open dito. Usually, mas konti in the morning and in the evening. Okay, so nag-order ako ng kopya. Ayan $3.40 only, 1 piece. Then they'll ask you if you want spicy. Actually, the same lady siya na binibilang ko dati ng kopya dito sa Maxwell. There you go. Thank you. So, yan. Masarap to. Masarap to. Gulay. May peanut siya.